Welcome back to the channel. In my previous video, I showed you an easy way to set up an OpenVPN server. Today, I'll show you an even easier method using the Amnezia app. First, you need a VPS with at least one CPU and 1 GB of RAM, running either Ubuntu 22.04 or Debian 11 or higher. If you don't have a VPS or you don't know how to buy one, check out my video, How to Buy VPS Full Tutorial 2025, link is in the description. After creating your VPS, you need to connect to it. I use Termius, the SSH client I personally recommend. If you don't know how to do that, I also cover it in my video, How to Connect to your VPS using Termius, link in the description. Open Termius, create a new host, enter your VPS IP. Set the username to root. And enter the VPS password that usually sent to you by email. Then connect. Before doing anything else, update your system by running this command. This makes sure your server is fully up to date before installing any new software. The update process may take a few minutes to complete. During the update, you might be asked to confirm actions or select options. Just accept or approve them until the installation finishes. To run the Amnezia on your VPS, you need to install Docker first. If you're using Debian 11 or higher, the installation steps I'm showing will be exactly the same for you. However, if you're running Ubuntu 22.04 or newer, the Docker installation commands are a bit different. I've included all the necessary commands for both Debian and Ubuntu in the video description, so you can easily copy and paste them. I use Debian 12, so I run the Docker installation command for Debian. Sometimes, during the Docker installation, the system may ask, "Do you want to continue?" If it does, type Y and press Enter to proceed. Once Docker is installed, your server will be ready to install and run the Amnezia. To install Amnezia on your server, you need to download the Amnezia app. First, go to the official Amnezia download page. I'll put all the links in the description for you. We'll download the Amnezia app for Windows, but it's also available for Android, iOS, Mac, and Linux. After downloading, install the app. The installation is straightforward, just click Next and then Install. When installation completes, the app will open automatically. Now press the Let's Get Started button. You'll see several options. Click on Self-Hosted VPN. Next, you'll need to enter your server IP address, username, and password. Amnezia uses this to connect to your VPS and install the VPN server. After entering your server details, click Continue. If the information is correct, a new tab will open asking you to choose an installation type. There are two options. The first, and default, is automatic. This installs Amnezia WG on your server automatically. The second is manual, which lets you choose other protocols. We want to install OpenVPN, so first choose Manual Setup. Next, select OpenVPN. Then you need to set up some other settings, like choosing between UDP or TCP and selecting the port. If you want more speed, choose UDP, but if you want better security with a bit lower speed, choose TCP. For the port, it will pick a random port for you, but you can set your own if you want. Then click Install. The installation will take about 3 to 5 minutes. Usually, there are no errors. If you do get an error, check your internet connection, close and reopen the Amnezia app, and try again. After installation, your OpenVPN server will be created on your VPS, usually named Server 1. To rename it, click the icon next to the server name, then click the Settings icon. In the tab that opens, click the pencil icon next to the server's name, type your desired name, and press Save. To connect to your OpenVPN server on Windows, you have two options: use the Amnezia app or the official OpenVPN client. To use the official OpenVPN, first you need to export the OpenVPN config file from the Amnezia app on your PC. To do that, open the Amnezia app, click the share icon, enter a device name, and select OpenVPN native format. Then click Share and save the config file. Next, download and install the official OpenVPN client from their website. I'll put the link in the description. After installation, import the config file into the app by simply double-clicking the config file. Automatically the OpenVPN will open. Finally, click Connect, and your Windows PC will connect securely through your VPN server. Like Windows, to connect to your OpenVPN server on Android, you have two options: use the Amnezia app or the official OpenVPN app. To use the official OpenVPN, first you need to export the OpenVPN config file from the Amnezia app on your PC. To do that, open Amnezia on your PC, click the share icon, type a device name, and choose the OpenVPN native format. Then click Share and save the config file. Next, transfer this config file to your Android device. You can email it to yourself, use a USB cable, or upload it to a cloud service like Google Drive. Now, download and install the official OpenVPN Connect app from the Google Play Store. Then open the OpenVPN app and import the config file you transferred. Finally, tap Connect. And that's it. You've successfully set up your own OpenVPN server using the Amnezia app. OpenVPN is one of the best VPN protocols. It's fast and widely supported, but it does have some downsides. It's not as fast as newer protocols like WireGuard. Also, OpenVPN can sometimes be detected and blocked by government firewalls. In the next video, I'll show you how to set up OpenVPN with Cloak, a tool that makes OpenVPN almost impossible to detect by firewalls, improving your privacy and access. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.